want to see me turn into a Super Saiyan? Fine, I'll do it. Just remember, you asked for it. Last chance for requests. Do you just want to see a Super Saiyan, or should I take it up to the next level?
What's that? There's a level beyond a Super Saiyan?
Hey, look, Yamu!
All that energy. It's him!
You're kidding! Is this for real? Gohan is the Gold Fighter? Impossible!
He's the Great Saiyaman and the Gold Fighter?
Boy, he sure is talented, huh?
Oh, wow, he's strong.